Aloha and welcome to Walking Wisdom, where we're all just walking each other home. My name is Jeanette, and I offer transformational coaching. Transformational in the sense of changing thoughts, supporting you in seeing what's showing up in life with a different perspective. And that different perspective is one that reflects the truth of reality. That is, that everything that shows up in our experience is for our awakening. And even beyond that, we are the creator of it. This is what quantum physics is telling us. This is what we're learning from it. In the double slit experiment, what has been shown is we, as the observer, affect the result of the experiment. So light is shot through a double slit. It stays in wave form until an observer looks upon it, makes the observation. And then it's locked into a particle, a single particle, not a wave any longer. It's like a wave of potentiality, and then we lock it in by observing it. That's exactly what life is. Life is the outpicturing of our thoughts, of our emotions, and not just ours individually, it's also ours collectively. What do we have control over? Our thoughts, our emotions, our way of being, our ontology. As we learn to embrace that power, that absolutely powerful perspective that we are the creator of life as the experiment that it is, we can make changes on how we view it, on the emotions that we have around it, what's showing up, rather than going, no, I don't want this. Learning what is it that's showing up that's causing us that resistance of saying, I don't want this. What wants to be shifted within so that life may reflect that without. I offer transformational coaching, and I do that by partnering with you. We're both teachers and we're both learners. It is my sole intention to partner with you as the equals we are, mirroring to you what language I'm hearing, mirroring to you what emotions I'm observing. I do so by asking questions so that you, the powerful, immortal creator being you are, can find your own answers. They're all there. It's a matter, it may be a matter, of uncovering some obstacles to what is true. Am I feeling blame for this situation that's showing up? Am I blaming someone for this perhaps experience that prompts some pain within? Or am I naming it so that I may learn from it about the healing, about the shifting of what wants to occur within? It is my pure joy to partner with you in your own self-growth, in your own transformation. Welcome to my office. Isn't this stunning? Come play with me. Come play with me in the forest, and we'll coach while walking. come play with me in our beautiful hallway that my partner and architectural designer has created, bringing the outdoors in, using natural materials, light. It's magical. We coach there. It can be via Zoom if you're not on island. We're on the beautiful island of Maui. We're in upcountry. If you don't live on island, there's Zoom sessions, there's phone sessions, there's FaceTime, there's Skype, there's all kinds of opportunities. And if you're here on island, come play with me. And if you're visiting island, that's even better. Come play. Come play with self-exploration. Come play with the intention for growth. Come play with the intention of learning more who you are as I get to mirror to you what I see in you. That is my gift. My gift to you is to see you and to assist in any ways that I can to support you in seeing the magnificence that you are and the understanding for what's shown up in life so that we may absolutely be the magical creators that we came here to be. Thanks for listening. Please visit walkingwisdom.com to book a session. And for every 4 sessions that you book, we get a walk in the forest, a 5th session for free, and amidst this glorious beauty that Mother Maui offers. Aloha from Mother Maui, the magical forest, and Jeanette with Walking Wisdom.